Alright, I am outside at the Pilgrim Rd Railroad crossing in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Well, apparently a train's not coming through yet, so I'm just going to give you a quick tour. First, the cantilever is made from Harmon. And then we have the "Do not stop on track" sign, just pretty formal to me. And then we have the emergency information. The dot number is 695-498T. And then these lights up here are Modern Industries 12 by 20 inch and 12 by 24 inch lights. Excuse me, with thick with Harmon fading LEDs in them. You can't really see the Modern Industries logo because I had it too far out. Right here is we have a safe turn base, a safe turn gate mechanism, and then the lights on the signal are Ricoh LED gate lights. And then these lights up here are Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch lights with Safe Tran fading LEDs in them. Just to be honest, I really can't cross the street right now since it's busy. But right over there at that signal has another Safe Tran base, a Safe Tran gate mechanism. And then the lights up there are made from Ricoh gate lights, or Ricoh LED gate lights. And then these lights right there are Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch lights with Safe Tran faded LEDs in them. Over at that crossing that has another Safe Tran base, excuse me, Safe Tran gate mechanism, and more Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch lights with Safe Tran fading LEDs in them. More Ricoh LED gate lights. That over at that signal, it has another Safe Tran base, Safe Tran gate mechanism. Excuse me. Coming down with the cold today. And then the gate lights up there are made from Ricoh gate lights. And then we have more Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch lights with Safe Tran faded LEDs in them. And then they're right up there. The bell is made from an NEG gate, an NEGE bell. And then there is the relay case over there. You can barely see it. And then you can see North Avenue Railroad crossing. And then we have track views. Facing west is facing towards Calhoun Road the Calhoun Road 2 railroad crossing, and through DuPlainville, Pewaukee, and through Heartland, Wisconsin. And then facing east is facing towards Elm Grove, Wauwatosa, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot, the milepost, you can see it says Pilgrim Road, and you can see the milepost and the dot number. The milepost is 97.10. So yeah, this is the Pilgrim Rd number 2 railroad crossing in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Signing off.